In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Smart RSI in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open, because everything we're going to do happens right on that main chart screen. It doesn't matter which market or time frame you're looking at, the process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or slightly to the left, and it might say Indicators, Indicators and Strategies, or just show an icon. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the Indicator panel, which is where you can search for and add any built-in or community scripts to your chart. Inside that panel, you'll see a search box at the very top. Click directly on the search box so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a huge library, and using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. With the cursor in the search box, start typing Smart RSI. Type it slowly and clearly, because even a small typo can prevent the indicator from showing up in the results. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering indicators in real time, and you should see Smart RSI appear in the list below. If you see multiple versions, look for the one that best matches what you're looking for in terms of source and description. When you see Smart RSI in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart, usually in a separate panel below the main price chart. Give it a second to load, and you should see the RSI line along with any additional features that come with the Smart version. From there, you can customize it if you want by hovering over the indicator's name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. You can adjust colors, line thickness, and other inputs to match your trading style and make it easier to read. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, remember to use my affiliate link in the description. Signing up through that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks the full power of TradingView, so indicators like Smart RSI fit seamlessly into your workflow.